Stuck trying to change your phone number on Wise? Here is exactly how to do it in 5 simple steps. We will start from your account profile, then go through personal details, verification, and entering your new number. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is log into your Wise account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look up at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. It is usually a small circle with your initials or a little picture. Go ahead and click on that. This is your main access point for all of your account settings, so it is a good place to get comfortable with if you ever need to change anything else later on. So now that you have clicked your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, you want to find and click on the option that says Personal Details. This is the section where Wise stores all of your core information, your name, your address, and yes, your phone number. It is the central hub for keeping your account up to date. Once you are on the Personal Details page, you will see a few different tabs across the top. Look for the one that says Personal Information and click on it. I have tested this myself, and it is easy to miss if you are just scanning quickly, so take your time here. This tab holds the specific fields you need to edit. Now, here is where it gets specific. Scroll down a little bit on that page until you see the section for your current phone number. Right underneath it, there will be a clear button or link that says Change Phone Number. Click on that. This is the official path Wise has created for updating your number, so you are in the right spot. And here is the really important part. For security reasons, Wise is going to ask you to verify your identity first. A new screen will pop up, asking for your account password. This is a standard step to make sure it is really you making the change. Go ahead and type your password in carefully. If you have a password manager, now would be a great time to use it. Once the system confirms it is you will see a fresh field where you can type your new phone number. And I want to pause here for just a second. Double check that you are entering the correct country code. If you are in the United States, that is +1. If you are in the UK, +44. Get that right the first time so you do not have to redo anything. Type your number in slowly and check it against your actual phone. After you have typed your new number, Wise will ask you to confirm it. They will show a second field right below the first one. Just re-enter the same number exactly as you typed it. This is a common safety step to catch any typos. If the two numbers do not match, it will not let you proceed, so take your time here. Alright, hit the button to continue. Wise will now send a verification code to that new phone number you just entered. This might take a moment to process. Sometimes it comes through in a few seconds, other times it can take a little longer. Keep your phone nearby. Once you receive the text message with the code, type that code into the verification box on your screen. And finally, click the Save or Confirm button to finish the process. That is it. You have successfully changed your phone number on Wise in just a few minutes. The whole thing is designed to be straightforward once you know where to click. If you found this helpful, stick around for more step-by-step guides just like this one.